Hi.
Hello? Hi. Ayan,
Hi!
ayan na siya, guys.
Good evening.
Nakauwi rin siya finally.
Finally, it's so traffic. Christmas season na talaga. Nakalimutan ko kasi Christmas season na. Ay, so parang sobrang traffic. Hi, everybody. How is everyone? How are you all?
Bigla silang nagsiakyat.
Good, good. Good,
Hello
good.
guys, na-starstruck ako.
Ayan pala si Eri. Si Trent. Ayan si
Hi
Eri.
po.
Hi,
And
Eri.
then si Seiya.
Hi, Ate
Seiya.
Jazz.
Hi, Saya. Uy,
Ayan
nandito si
sila.
RG.
Yeah.
Hello,
From
everyone.
start pa lang namin nandito na si Sir RG.
Wow.
I know.
Wait, may mga nabasa na akong questions kanina eh.
Sige, wait lang.
Ay, sorry. Hello. Kumustahan
Inuna.
muna? Light muna. Excited sa questions. Kasi kanina pa kayo eh. Sorry.
Di okay lang mga nag-plug na rin kami ng mga announcements natin. Like, kasi nasabi ko sa'yo, di ba, yung ano, yung may mga tumatawag. Yung mga,
Ano tumatawag?
ay, yung
Ah, yeah.
tumatawag na, as in, nagko-call na yung mga scammers. Nanghingi ng donation. Admin mo daw.
Pasabog. Ay, kailangan din natin i-report yung ano, yung Facebook.
Mhm. Yung do-
Kasi pati pala yung ano, ibang family ko sa Darwin, nakalike dun. Or sa Dumaguete, nakalike dun. Kasi akala din nila ako.
Nagpo-post yun ng Lazada links eh.
Nakafollow pala. Kaya nga eh.
Like, tapos,
Pero surprisingly,
mhm.
ay sorry.
Hindi,
Surprisingly,
go.
chinek ni Ryan, ano daw, tinatag, 'di ba? Oh, Ryan is here.
Hello everyone. Hi.
Hi, Ryan.
Yes, if you, so everyone who doesn't know Ryan, Ryan's my best friend.
Uh,
Hello.
voice
And
na,
Althea's here also.
na-miss daw nila voice mo.
Hi.
Kakalive mo
Hi.
lang, di ba?
Gorgeous.
Hi, gorgeous.
Hi.
Hi, gorgeous.
Hi,
Lodi, ka
Althea.
mo. Hi, girls. Sabi niya kanina, Ate Jazz, you know in your party, there are people taking photos with me also. Sabi niya
Cute.
kanina. Pinagmalaki niya, nagpa-picture daw. Cute. Anyway,
Game na.
sige.
Go na.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, Althea. Wait, magbabay na sila.
Ay,
Sige,
mag-friends
babay.
na kami. Bye.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hindi na.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Aray ko. Okay, sorry. Okay, I am back.
Natawa ako dito sa new comment. Kung papipiliin ka ng isang fan na i-shoutout mo, bakit ako yung napili mo? Super, ano siya, nag-write siya ng AU. Ito si is me, just AU. Queerjet. To. Nag,
Oh my God. Okay, mag-scroll na ako sa ano. Ay, mag-start na ba tayo? Ano na ba to?
mag, eto, unahin ko na lang yung mga naunang questions. Kasi di ba
Ah, okay. Ikaw na.
nagpa-question si O
Yeah.
before. Yung, kasi ang dami kasi nangyari, guys. I mean, ang daming schedules.
Yeah, kasi may mga questions before eh.
Yeah, before,
Sorry guys. I apologize.
mm, ato, ito na lang muna. What is your proudest accomplishment daw? From Sunny.
Wow, Sunny. What is my proudest accomplishment?
Wow.
That is so deep.
Power. Power yung tanong natin
First
dyan.
question.
First,
First question, bang! Pasabog tayong lahat.
Mas pasabog yung iba. Ang dami.
Uy, may na-read nga ako kanina. What is the best advice that you've ever received that gave an impact in your life? Parang
Miss
MM.
Universe
wow.
nga.
Ang Miss Universe, ano, training ground ba natin to? Ay, um, ano nga yung, wait, ano nga yun?
Best achievement.
Yeah.
Proudest
Proudest
achievement ko.
accomplishment.
Accomplishment. Feeling ko, me right now. Everything kasi I do sometimes, and I think I said this before also sa friends ko na, every every time na I get an accomplishment, I always look forward to my next accomplishment. Like, okay, tapos this is done. Move forward to another one, or I'll always look for something else. Kasi I feel like, wala, hindi naman sa not contented, pero parang, I think that's life. So right now, I could say that surviving PBB, opening into the, like, being welcomed sa industry, it's one of the biggest achievements that I received or I am getting right now. So parang, oh, okay. It's that. And siguro still staying who I am despite of what other people might say or has been saying actually. So yun. Kasi ang hirap, to be honest, it's hard. But I think I'm just grateful because of the people that I'm surrounded with. Like, they keep me grounded also. They remind me na, but this is who you are. This is, sila yung mas kilala ako. I have to stick with the principles, with the morals, and, just trust myself. So, parang yun, yeah. Di ba ang dami kong sinasabi?
Sabi ko kasi,
Baka na-cover na yung ibang questions dyan. Pero yun, kasi parang it's hard. It's hard, PBB. I think we had a conversation, I don't know who. Mga PBB lang din ata. I think sa taping ng PBB. And then, um, we said na only PBB housemates. Kahit anong season yan, kami lang magkakaintindihan talaga kung ano yung pinagdaanan namin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. So there will always be an instant connection between all ex-housemates. So kapag nagkikita kami, alam nila PBB housemates, instantly naging comfortable kami or instantly parang may common ground kasi kami na okay, we understand where you're coming from. We understand bakit yan nangyari. Parang instantly ganun. Because like kahit sa viewers, hindi eh. It's still different when you're there. So yun. Ah, di ba? Additional na yun na answer sa future questions niyo.
so,
Pero like, yeah.
parang in relate to that sa PBB. So, ever since parang may nag-comment here, ay, hindi ko siya mahanap, pero kanina nabasa ko siya.
Yeah.
Paglabas ko raw
Go.
nung PBB, so ano yung parang greatest realization mo? Like,
Paglabas ko?
yes.
Oh. Ano ba yun? Paglabas ko, greatest realization ko.
Like, lesson, ganun.
Feeling ko, before ay sa lesson, madami akong lesson. Pero nung lumabas ako ng PBB, ang greatest realization ko, generally, or like, yeah, is that the world can really be cruel. And it's a tough world. You can't please everyone. Dito din na-prove sa akin na parang, no matter what you do, even if you did all 100 good things, but if you've done something wrong, kahit one lang yan or two out of 100, it will stain, and then yun na yung always gagamitin ng mga tao. Yun yung na-realize ko, if I'm being honest. Yun. But the lesson that I've learned talaga, like coming from sa bahay ni Kuya, I think the number one na tumatak sa akin is be the ate that you deserve to have, because hindi ako naging ate sa sarili ko.
Mhm.
Like, I'm always an ate to everyone, pero like, I'm not treating myself the way that I should be treated. Parang ganon. And learn how to forgive yourself. Kasi I easily forgive other people, pero I don't do that to myself. And I'm very harsh sa sarili ko. So yun, that's more of me. But then if talking about people that I'm surrounded with, especially new ones, I really have to learn how to um also understand na iba-iba kami ng environment.
Mhm.
We grew up differently. Iba-iba yung friend group, iba-iba yung morals, yung principles. So kailangan din intindihin mo. But if the space doesn't serve you right, if the environment doesn't serve you right na rin, learn to slowly let go and stay away from that. Because if it doesn't help you mentally and emotionally, wala, it's not gonna serve you. And it's not just gonna help you in the long run also. And it's okay. Yun. It's okay to remove yourself from certain situations if wala na. Parang, okay, this is not healthy already for me. Yun.
Sobrang
Wow.
roller coaster rin kasi talaga after ng PBB, ano. So, parang, ang dami mong maiisip, matututunan after that.
Madami.
Parang
Actually,
kailan
everyday sa bahay yeah, everyday sa bahay ni kuya ang dami mo talagang matutunan. Kaya sabi namin kaya guys, if gusto niyo mag-PBB, go. Mag-PBB kayo for all those learnings and the lessons. Because everything na um we learned, ako 2 months and I think 2 weeks ako dun. Sabi ko, "Oh my gosh, if nasa labas ako ng bahay ni kuya, I wouldn't even learn kahit one of the lessons dun in a span of 2 months." Usually, one lesson na I've learned there, maybe I could learn it in a month. And the next lesson na I learned dun sa bahay ni kuya, probably in the next 6 months. Pero dun kasi wala kang choice. We don't have phones, we don't have any distractions. Wala talaga. Like, parang nilagay talaga kami dun para it's like a social experiment actually. And mas mag-grow ka. And I think that's something that's very important na at least paglabas namin, growth is there. Character development is there. Yun. Din naman yung goal at the end of the day. Yun.
may sasabihin daw si Seiya.
Hi, Ate
Yeah.
Jazz. So,
Yeah.
mag-read lang ako ng message. Hindi raw to question. Coming from Zay at Amir fan. Sabi niya, this isn't a question, but I just want you to know na yes, you're known for being optimistic, and we admire you for that, but please remember, it's okay to be vulnerable too. Love, it's okay to cry. We love you, we're here for you, and
Thank
we hope you
you.
know.
Thank you. You're so sweet, guys. Thank you, Saya. Actually, I am very vulnerable. I feel certain emotions talaga. If I feel sad, wala, I feel sad. If I wanna cry, I also cry. Ganun din naman. And I think yun yung nag-help sa akin to still be positive. Because like, if I feel sad, feel ko yung emotions, and then matatapos na siya. And then move forward na ako. Okay, ganun lang. I think that has helped me for so many years. And ganun ako now. Pero yeah, hindi nawawala yung outlook ko na actually nasa-surprise din ako sa sarili ko. Grabe din pala. Dito, like, yeah, people told me na before, my friends na, you're so optimistic, you're a ray of sunshine, you're a ball of sunshine, ganun. But I didn't take it seriously kasi parang normal lang siya sa friend group namin. Yun nang when I went through the process of PBB auditions, gulat na gulat din yung sila lahat. Um, yung prod, direct na parang, you're telling us your story yet you're smiling. You're telling us your story yet you have something good to say about this. Why? Tapos doon ko lang na-realize, actually,
Mhm.
wala lang. I think big shout out to my mom and my dad for raising me this way. Although may mga friends ako na sinasabihan akong toxic positivity na daw ako sa sarili ko. Kasi baka ginagaslight ko na lang sarili ko. Pero sabi ko naman, but I'm okay. And I think this works for me. So, yun. Depende naman siya. Whatever makes you sleep at night, whatever makes your boat float. Naman, wala namang perfect formula talaga at the end of the day. Imagine there are 7 billion people in the world. And none of us are really exactly the same. So it's always a learning curve. It's always a trial and error for yourself, whatever fits for you. Pero syempre, take inspiration also to other people. We can do that. Pero, yun. Take inspiration. Be inspired. But at the same time, do whatever makes you happy. Because life is short, guys. We don't know what's gonna happen in the next years, days, months, weeks, ganon. Anyway, yan. Di ba? Ang dami ko na rin sinasabi.
Speaking of parents,
Second question pa ba tayo?
question dito,
Sorry?
speaking of parents, may question dito kanina about your dad. Ano daw yung parang pinakagusto mong memory mo with your dad?
Oh my God!
Magiging vulnerable.
Ito
Ayun
na,
na.
magiging
Gusto lang kita vulnerable, di ba? Ito na yun.
soft spot ko na. Oh my gosh, alam mo, quick chika lang. Alam nyo, kasi, si Jazz KSKSK, just sa TikTok, di ba nag-edit siya, nahanap niyo yung mga videos ng nagsushoot kami ng dad ko, nag-airsoft. Nakita niyo yun?
Yes.
Ay, I don't know if nakita niyo yun. Nirepost ko yun eh. Yeah. And then, so nung nirepost ko yun, ng first few videos, may nakita kong bagong post niya. Tapos yung kanta is You'll Be Safe Here. Pero the smile of my dad and everything. Alam mo, nasa taping ako nito ha, ng PBB. Pagkita ko, as in, umiyak talaga ako. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Cause like, wala lang, soft spot ko talaga dad ko. And then, parang the song pa, and then, yun. Sabi nga ni Pat and Kuya Ding, sabi niya, oh, Jasmine Helen, wag kang umiyak kasi yung makeup mo sayang. Kasi kakatapos ko ng makeup and nakita ko yung video. So anyway, I think the best memory with my dad, memory ba?
Yes.
Oh, for me, I think one of the best talaga is, um, ala, ang dami. Teka lang. Sige, top 3. Hala!
Top. Go.
Pang- Top 3? Sige, so I think the first is lahat talaga na training ko sa airsoft or sa shooting. Yun talaga. Because my dad was there talaga every time training ako. First, it was just him teaching me until kumuha na siya ng talagang magti-teach sa akin to do it so that I can compete. Yun, before I think ako nag-compete sa Hong Kong, nag-hire na siya ng someone talaga na mag-teach sa akin. But he's always there. So parang that became our bonding moment na parang, what are you doing this weekend? Like, kung wala akong gagawin sa school, okay, let's shoot. Let's go to Sibulan. That's another town. And, or like, let's go sa taas ng shop namin before. Kasi may shooting range kami sa taas. Let's just train for a bit. So, yun yung naging parang father and daughter bonding moment namin na no one can really take away. Kasi mas bonding moment namin yan kesa sa bonding moment nila sa younger brother ko. Kasi bata pa si Rog nung time na yun eh. And my dad's like, hindi pa siya masyadong sumusunod ng rules kasi ang daming rules when you undergo airsoft, na daming bawal. So parang, and he's a babe, my brother's such a baby pa. So baka hindi makinig. So it's sort of me talaga. Pero may face pa ako na, kababae kong tao. As in like girly girl, majorette pa ako and everything. Tapos, i-airsoft ako ng tatay ko. What? Dad, sabi ko talaga, Dad, that's, I don't want. And sabi niya, you have to undergo sports. You already did soccer. You already did softball. Do this. So parang pinush pa ako ng dad and I'm really glad looking back na pinush ako ng dad ko to do it. Kasi lagi ako sinasabi ng dad ko also na parang, um, I don't want you to be just a pretty face. I don't want people to just say na you're a pretty face. Because being beautiful, it's way beyond the physical or your physical appearance. It's what's inside and what you can offer to the world, what you can do and be an inspiration. So parang ganun. So that's why my dad pushed me also to do so many things. Or my parents basically. Kasi nga, ayaw nila na mag-rely lang on, okay, what you can offer on the outside. Like, ganun ka. Pero, what else can you do? Parang ganun. So yun, that's my number one. I think the second, ala, ang dami. May energy pa ba lahat?
Go lang.
Kasi na-miss ko kayo, kichikahan.
Talaga.
So, anyway. Oo. So the second is, um, yung Singapore trip namin ng dad ko. Actually, family, yung sa nag-Universal Studios. Kasi, mom ko kasi takot ng mga rides. As in, nahihilo siya to the highest level. So, if she doesn't ride, I think I was 12, 13 years old. So, kami lang ng dad ko. Eh, my brother was young pa. So, kami lang ng dad ko yung nag-ride. So, kami talaga yung partner. So, like yung parang roller coasters, yung mga ganon. Tandem talaga kami ng dad ko. So, that was just a full day. But then, grabe, naging solid. So, sobrang memorable. That's why Singapore will always have a special place in my heart. Aside from my dad, um, was healed there nung nagkasakit siya when he was 44. Dun din after a few years when he got better. Um, yun, yung memory sa Universal Studios. Kasi yun yung naging ano ng dad. As in lahat ng rides dun, sinakyan namin ng dad ko. Ganong level. So kami talaga yung partner. And then yung mom ko and my younger brother, sila yung partner. And then my third one is, actually nang nag-Miss Saliman ako, because Nung nag-Miss ako, dun ko lang, I wasn't scared, I wasn't really, hindi ako kinabahan or anything, but my dad couldn't sleep. Lalo na the day before pageant night. Like, he couldn't sleep daw, sabi ng mom ko. He was very nervous. Like, grabe daw talaga like, my mom's like, babe, that's fine. Like, Jazz is okay. Just can do it. And siya, yeah, I know, but I just couldn't sleep. Like, I'm so nervous. Like, I don't understand what I'm feeling. Grabe daw yung feel ng dad ko. And then while ongoing na yung pageant night, like, my dad couldn't sit down. Like, he was walking around. Pero kasi sabi ko sa parents ko, I can't see you both because if I see them, I would cry on stage. Because I saw them sa press launch. Press launch, so three stages kasi yung Miss Silliman. So the press launch is the first na parang political questions, any questions under the sun basically. So yun, I saw my mom and she cried while I was about to answer. So in the middle of me answering, umiiyak na rin ako. So nawala na ako kasi nakita ko yung nanay ko umiyak. So sabi ko talaga sa kanya, dapat hindi ko kayo dalawa makita sa crowd. So yun, so my dad was just walking because he was so nervous. And then umakyat sa stage after and then he hugged me and then he just said, I'm so proud of you, my princess.
Aw,
So yun yung third na favorite memory ko sa dad ko.
super
Oh,
adventurous
meron
fun.
pa pa. Ay, never mind. Pang-vlog na yun.
Oo. Oo nga, yung vlog mo.
Sorry. Oo.
Kailan pa?
'Di ba ang dami kong sinasabi, "Sorry guys."
Okay lang yan.
Dapat pala nag-Zoom call na lang tayo.
Pero eto, may question, Sir RG. May question ako, very demure. What's the
Yes.
best and worst advice you've ever received? Spicy.
Mm, like in oh my gosh. Best advice I've ever received. For me, wala talaga akong like just one best advice na na-receive. Kasi parang feeling ko all advices that I get, especially from the people surrounding me who knows me, who has seen me, who knows all my downfalls, lahat ng rock bottom ko. It helped me eh.
Mhm.
Parang, okay. Pero siguro it's the trust God. Because all advices, magfo-fall siya sa kay Lord eh. Na I will trust Him. I will trust His plans because His plans are always greater than mine. And yun. Kasi all negativity that also happened to me, sasabihin ko lang din after eventually sa sarili ko, ano kayang reason ni God for this? Or like, alam ko naman na after this, God will um get me through this also. And there will be something better that will come out of this. So yun lang. I think yun yung parang, okay. And that advice is from my mom. Talaga. Like, ever since bata pa ako, lagi ko yung naririnig. Nak, trust God. His plans is greater than ours. So if it's not meant for you, there he has something better for you. Ganon.
Amen.
Siguro, yeah. So kaya siguro may ganon din ako. Like the optimist Sam in me. Kasi ganon is, ever since I was a kid. Kasi I grew up talaga, I'm a born again Christian. So, bata pa lang ako, nag-church na Sunday school. Um, yun, hanggang nung I think senior high ako naging active na sa youth. So parang tuloy-tuloy na siya yung pagiging Christian ko. Nawala lang siya nung namatay yung dad ko, but bumalik din eventually
Mhm.
after. So yun. I think yun yung siguro the best na lang. Like whatever happens, kapit ka lang kay God. It's hard, pero like just trust. And then if it doesn't work your way, pray also to God na, God, please give me the heart to accept na. Kasi especially if you really want something and we've worked hard for something, di ba? You really want it. And then biglang hindi binigay ni God. So, syempre ma-heartbroken tayo, masasaktan tayo. We have to, like may parang face tayo na, okay, we move forward from this, but it's so hard. So we always have to pray na, God, please give me the heart to accept this. Or even kahit ako, kahit hinihingi ko pa kay Lord. Tapos, yung face sa PBB na auditions, I was like, yeah, let go lang God. I don't really mind. Pero sabi ko, I don't know if ma-reject ako, baka iba din yung ma-feel ko. So sabi ko, Lord, if ever this is not meant for me, please also give me the heart to accept. And give me the heart to easily move forward from this because I know na you have greater plans for me. But siguro ito yung plan ni God for me. Kaya ako here. Oh my gosh, wait! 11:11! Make a wish, everyone! 11:11. Okay. Tapos na ba mag-wish ang everyone? Ang everyone.
May disclaimer, Sir RG. Sabi niya,
Bakit?
best and worst,
Worst advice?
parang walang masasagot si Ate Jess dyan.
Worst advice? Siguro mga ano lang, unsolicited advices. Sometimes na parang, mm, it's not worst. It's just like, sometimes kasi, and I've said this also before, careful din ako when I give advices. Because sometimes I don't know where you're coming from. I don't know kasi sometimes yung pinagdaanan you wholeheartedly. I don't know ano yung, maybe right now you're in rock bottom or may na-miss ako na parang laking part ng ayaw mong i-share sa akin tapos nagbibigay ako ng advice and it doesn't help you pala or maybe it triggers you or something is like that. So I have to be careful when I give advices also. So sometimes may mga ganun ako. Pero wala namang worst. Ano bang worst? Wala, I
Right.
think. Or baka kinalimutan ko lang kasi hindi siya important.
Hindi siya
Hindi ako
relevant for
sure.
yung...
Oo, parang ganun. Mga unsolicited advice na parang, hala, hindi ka, parang, yun. Yeah.
Ito, para medyo light.
Yeah, yun.
Para medyo light. From Isma Jazz AU. Ano daw mga games mo sa phone? May games sa...
Anong games ko sa phone? May ML ako actually.
Nakakapag...
I have I did play ML I had an ML account before. Nawala ko and then nag-download ako after nung na-evict ako. After lumabas ako as house challenger. Nag-download ako ng ML. So I played quite a few times. And then I have Scrabble. I always have Scrabble. I have billiard pool. I downloaded Block Blast now.
Block.
And then sa iPad, I have, kasi I bring my iPad. Kai and Rin is there. So, they borrow my iPad and then they play a multiplayer game. So, I think this is Challenger. Challenge your, I don't know. Basta it's a multiplayer game. Tapos, madami siya. So, nung dinala ko to ng taping, naglaro si Kai and si Rain. Tapos, naaliw si na Binsoy. So, yun. Wala pa akong game. Suggest na kayo. Anong pwede ko
Sabi ko sa'yo,
i-download?
COD
Ang boring ng ano ko. Ano yan? COD?
COD.
COD.
Sige, mag-COD ako.
Marta.
It's the gorgeous, mga solids.
Hello.
Yun.
Ito,
Yeah.
a question from
Okay.
Maria Rosa Sushi. If you could have any superpower, what
Hello.
would it be? Hmm.
If I could
Any
have, sorry,
superpower.
what? Any,
Superpower.
oh, superpower. I would want, gusto ko maging WandaVision. Hala! Superpower. Feeling ko, ano na lang, to time travel.
Interesting.
I would want to time travel. Because I've always wanted to experience Victorian era, mga ganun na era, even just for a day. Tapos I also would want to go to the future. So, I think it's fun to time travel. Plus I get to meet, gusto ko ma-meet yung mga angkan ko. Like mga,
Ang
angkan? Mga, like my great, 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 great
mga
grandparents, especially
ninuno.
sa London, sa UK. Mga ninuno ko sa UK. I think that would be so fun. Especially kasi sa UK sila eh. So, I think it's a different environment. How they were before. Yung mga ganun. Wala lang. Parang gusto ko lang matuto ng madami sa different eras in the world.
Parang ang ganda
Yun.
yung European. era.
Di ba?
Mm-mm.
Gusto ko. Or I think maybe it's a British in me na parang gustong matuto talaga or gustong malaman.
No, but kasi civilization started in Europe.
Europe, yeah.
So there's so much history there.
So much history. So it's really fun. So, guys, if may time kayo, ay,
Aral.
may time, pinag-aral, ginawan pa ng ano, ginawan pa ng assignment. Mag-aral ng, kaya gusto ko mag-European studies. Pero it's not the European studies naman na history. Pero like, in general. Because I wanna learn so much from them. Like their economy, how they are, their policies, and of course, part na rin yung history. Okay, yun.
Ito,
Ayan.
question 15, JD. What is your dream role in a TV series or movie?
Sorry, what is
What
my...
is your dream role in a TV series or movie?
Oh, dream. Alam mo, gusto ko maging action star.
Oh my gosh.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Gusto ko mag-action. Like,
May
yun yung
reaction kami.
parang gusto ko. Hindi ko alam bakit. I feel like kasi medyo underrated yung action movies here in the Philippines. Parang hindi siya masyadong na-highlight or walang masyadong maganda. That's why when I watched Topak, I was like, oh my gosh. Like, parang, I felt like I was watching a Hollywood film. Ganong level. Yung ganda niya. And the like intensity of it. Parang alam, gusto ko. And then Julia Munta sa stairs. I'm like, oh my gosh, girl. Gusto ko yung mga baril-baril lang na ganun. Pero sa movie lang.
Baril-baril.
Oo, pero hindi ko, wala naman akong pili actually. Like, I'm fine with anything. Gusto ko din mag-remake ng one of yung mga famous movies or teleseries before. Pero parang feeling ko grabe yung pressure. Pero syempre naman sabi nila dream big. So, lakihan na lang natin yung ano, i-manifest na lang natin whatever. Yung, yeah, yun, manifest na natin lang.
Mhm.
Pero wala ako, okay lang ako kahit ano. Yeah,
Dream
yun.
lang naman siya.
Action. Dream lang naman, action. Oo, kasi parang, oo, yun. Hindi ko kasi alam eh, ano ba, may suggestion ba kayo? Ay!
Actually, maganda nga yung
Pero,
action kasi parang hindi nga siya masyadong na ano, yeah,
yeah.
discover
Wala
pa natin yung
masyado.
tao.
Pero gusto ko ng ano, sure gusto ko din Contrabida, but at the same time, gusto ko din yung inaapi ako. Ay, hindi pa ba?
Bida
Talaga,
kontra bida.
wag!
Bida Contrabida. Hindi pa ba? Dami, yeah. Pero that's why siguro I'm also interested in this industry. Because you get to be someone else
Mhm.
while you're portraying, or while, yeah, I'm portraying a story for other people to learn. So parang I'm not just at that moment. Right? I'm that character at that moment. Pero ang dami ko ring magawa sa that character. Ang dami kong lessons na mabigay to the other people through that character also. Ang daming matutunan. So parang it's just a beautiful industry na kahit anong character, meron talagang lesson na mapupulot yung mga tao. And I wanna be one of those actresses na versatile in terms of like movies or series or mga ganun. So darating tayo dyan. Mag-workshop muna ako ng acting. Yes. Yes, yun. Thank you so much for the question.
Ito from Duchess. Dahil maraming student gorgeous, as a cum laude and student leader, wow, what advice would you give to students juggling school, work, and personal life? How do you think students can balance pursuing their passion and meeting academic expectations?
Tip ni mo student leaders.
So, tip ko, nag-choppy ka, Martha. Tip, ako ba yung
Oh, sorry.
choppy? Habang nagsasalita ako, choppy ako?
Hindi naman. Baka ako yun. Baka ako lang yun. Sisend ko sa'yo sa IG. Masyado mahaba eh.
Si Martha yung problem.
It's a me problem. I'm
Ano
sorry.
yung question? Dahil maraming student, gorgeous, ay wow, and a student leader, what advice would you give to students juggling school, work, and personal life? How do you think students can balance pursuing their passion and meeting academic expectations? Wow, this is so deep. Thank God Ryan is here. But for me, actually, I'm not the best person when it comes to time management. And Ryan can really attest to that. Like, ngarag
Grabe,
talaga
uy,
ako as a
grabe yung
student.
side comment ni
I,
Ryan. Hala, nag-choppy ba?
sorry, Martha, putol-putol ka talaga, Martha. Choppy ka dyan. Nasa
Oo nga. Shit, wait.
chopper ka ba? Ha? Martha, choppy ka. But anyway, as in, like, honestly, I procrastinate. I'm a crammer. Like, literally. I took up foreign affairs sa ang dami naming paperworks, ang dami naming essays, mga ganun. Pero always akong last minute. So, parang, wala. Time management, I just do what I want to do and love to do. Kung gusto mo naman kasi yung ginagawa mo, you'll always make time for it. You'll always make an effort for it. So, and feeling ko kasi, parang, hindi, wala naman kasi din akong pressure, academic wise. My parents did pressure me naman talaga na, oh, kailangan may honor ka, kailangan may ganito ka. They just wanted me to enjoy school. So, for
I
me,
guess.
I think, sige, before si Ryan, mas maganda to magbigay ng advice si Ryan eh. But for me, um, but, taka na, distract ako kay Ryan.
Sorry.
For me, you have to weigh things also eh. Like, kunwari, are you up for a scholarship na kailangan may i-maintain ka na grade? So, syempre, you have to focus that. Pero, I will remind you all na in the real world, pag nag-graduate ka, hindi magmamatter kung cum laude ka, kung magna cum laude, kung summa ka. It's just the cherry on top because what really matters or what they all look for is soft skills, hard skills. What you can do, what's your experiences when you were in school, ano yung mga ginawa, mas heavier yung mga ganun eh. Kaya nyo naman really explore, unti-unti nyo. And then, yun, I'm not the best person for time management. Then, I will route you to Ryan because Ryan is the best person for that.
No, I think I just gusto ko lang sundutan yung sinabi ni Jazz kasi so she mentioned that it's not required for you to be a like an honor student or to graduate cum laude ganyan. But I think the point of that is it does don't work hard to be an honor student. Work hard to learn. Kasi maraming tao na they just study to pass the exam. I think it's better to study so that you can learn. So cherry kaya sabi ni Jazz, cherry on top na lang yung award or the laude when you graduate for example. But wala ring point kung gumraduate ka ng cum laude or whatever laude pero hindi ka natuto. And but something related to Jazz, and I think she just failed to see this. But si Jazz, in college as a student leader, yes, she's a crammer. Like, ilang beses siya na napapagalitan ng ganyan. Pero I think, you know, as a student leaders or aspiring student leaders, one thing that Jazz has done in the past na hindi niya shinare sa inyo tonight, which she should have, or she might not have seen it. Pero si Jazz, when in college, she just did things regardless. Like, oh, papag-organize mo siya ng ganito event, organize siya. Papag-host mo siya sa ganito event, mag-o-host siya. Papa-facilitate mo siya ng isang game, magfa-facilitate siya. So, meaning, she just goes with it. And I think that's why Jazz is also very versatile as a person now. Like nakikita nyo, like she can model, then she can also I mean like she can do the magazine. She also worked for the magazine before. She can also organize events, nag-host rin siya. Kaya niya because in college she said yes to many things. So if there's anything that I could share to you that also reflects Jazz is try to explore opportunities. Say yes to everything. Yeah, like hindi lang siya necessary na kailangan kang magaling doon kasi that's the purpose of why you wanna do the leadership work so that you can learn. Tapos doon mo na pagbutihan like hindi naman lahat ng taong magaling nagsisimula yan sa hindi sila magaling. So, start with something. So dati for example si Jazz, so now nakikita niyo siya like nag-host siya and everything. But before like hanggang 2:00, 3:00 kami ng umaga, mag-uusap lang kami na, Jazz, do this, mali yung tono mo or like mali to, do this kind of intonation. So it took time for her to learn how to be a host. But now she's reaping it now kasi she started doing it before. Wala lang, dami ko rin sinabi.
Ah, 'di ba? That's why we're friends. Ang dami naming sinasabi always. But yeah, yun. Thank you, Ryan, for that. Sorry, kumuha lang ako ng water. Wala na ba si Martha? Ako na ba?
Hello po. Ako po muna ang sub na mag-read ng question.
Okay, wala na sige. Mag-host ako sa sarili ko dito. Um,
Nagsalita si
I don't know where
Seiya.
Martha stopped
Nagsasalita
though.
si Seiya.
Oh, Seiya's here.
Hello po. Ako
I
po
can't
muna ang
hear.
sub.
She
Hello?
is?
Hello po.
Hello?
Hello po. Hello.
Hindi mo siya rinig?
Is Seiya talking now?
Yes.
Hindi. Is she talking
Yes.
now? No. No. Wala. Wala ako naririnig.
Choppy
Oh
pa
my
ba
gosh.
ako?
Are you hearing things that I can't hear? Actually, no
Okay.
na.
Sige.
Try ko nga pumasok para
O, pasok ka na.
From Carla. I think this is from Ate Titanium. Being a social battery and have done so many volunteering work, is there any random person na na-meet mo that have touched your life? Choppy ako?
If may na-meet ako who touched, choppy ka
What?
ulit.
Ayan na si Seiya ulit. Seiya? Seiya?
I can't hear
Wait lang,
Seiya.
hindi pa siya nagkasalita ulit. Seiya!
Hello
Wala ka
po.
din?
Ah, there.
Hello
Hello.
po.
Yes.
So, reading the question.
Is there the question is
Being a social butterfly and have done so many volunteering work, is there any random person na na-meet niyo po
basically
that touched your life?
random. Sa volunteer.
Madami. I worked with um 10 Accomplished Youth Organization, so Tayo Awards Foundation. And at siguro all na I've talked to, yeah, si Kyle from, ano nga si Kyle? The Street Classroom. Parang, every time I listen to them, they're young ha, because youth, they're fighting for the youth also, and they're also youth themselves. Parang sabi ko, grabe, the passion that they have, they're so driven to really help and to fight for what they really believe in. So parang nakaka-inspire siya. I don't know these individuals na kilala ko lang through nung validation process when I interviewed them. So parang sabi ko, ang galing. And it also motivates you because yun yung nakikita ko, yun yung mga nakakausap ko. So it's always strangers that I meet na nai-inspire ako after na parang, oh my gosh. Kaya parang I'm really thankful because um actually Ryan's really such a huge played a huge part in my life. I am pero totoo.
I know.
Yes, you know. Pero this is really true. Sina Ryan, si Shem. Because nung nag-start na ako sa social civic organization ko, nung nag-senior high ako, Ryan was there already and Shem. So sila yung kasama ko nung nag-start ako, being really active and really volunteering for different advocacies. Hanggat sa, dahil sa kanila, mas nauna kasi sila sa akin, so mas madami silang nakilala. And then they introduced me. This is this, this is this. So parang, ang dami ko nang na-meet, ang dami ko nang nasamahan na organizations, mga advocacies, naging project leader, project management ako. Per every person that I meet, kahit for the first time, they really inspire me in so many ways. I always cry.
Oh, that's true.
So sa Tayo Awards Foundation, it's an award-giving body sa different organizations. So every year, we award 10 na best of the best. So ang daming applications. Like umabot kami one time ng 600 to 700 applicants. And then we have to go through ang daming process. So from start until the end, I was there. So Ang dami, we get to interview pa the
Actually, you read this
I read this year, yeah, before
before we...
PBB. Ang beneficiaries ng mga certain advocacies na 'to kasi may education, may, health, may culture, environment. So, ang dami. So, ang dami ko ding beneficiaries na nakakausap. So, parang sabi may iba na, "Ma'am, wala talaga walang-wala kami but because of this organization, natulungan kami." I think I cried nung yung mga special kids na in-interview ko yung nanay and then yung mom was crying.
Open arms.
Open Arms ata yun, Open Arms na organization. I was crying while in-interview ko rin yung nanay kasi yung nanay umiiyak din eh. So parang, okay, grabe. Like, it's usually strangers that you meet or people that you meet for the first time and then they share their stories. Parang, oh my gosh, you get instantly inspired. Yeah. So that's for me. Siguro because I'm such a social butterfly. So parang instantly parang I parang I don't know if I'm really good at reading people though. Pero like parang I get a vibe check na. So parang okay, I know na if this person is comfortable enough to share or parang okay, may barrier pa siya. So, hindi muna. Wag pilitin. Or wag mag-dive deep into conversations. Pero yun, pero I take inspiration in everyone that I meet. Na there will always be something in that person. And yun, that's for me. Wow. Na-answer ka ba yung question?
Yes po.
Oo.
So, ang dami niyo po palang
Ay, ako na rin nagsagot. Na-answer ka ba question?
Hello po. Ala, am I not audible po ulit?
Hi.
Hi, hello po.
Yes, you are audible. Wow, parang college yun. College pandemic season.
Zoom class.
Na, hello, ma'am. Am I audible? Hello, hello. Tapos nawala yung wifi.
Tumakas sa recitation.
Okay, sorry.
Opo.
Tama ka sa recitation.
The question
Okay, go.
is,
Sorry.
since 2024 is about to end, what's your New Year's resolution and bucket list for the next year? This question from Ava. So you could give 3 bucket lists for next year.
New Year's resolution ko is to, wow, to focus on myself. Especially kasi I'm new to the industry. Syempre makinig kay Ate Yani and kay Ate Edith. That's the number one. They're my basically parents. Their magic is now my parents. Now sa industry guiding me. So yun, I'm very excited na to have this opportunity. So parang I have to be more flexible. I have to be more adaptive to whatever may come my way kasi I'm still also new. So yun yung dapat kong or yun yung New Year's resolution ko. And guys, kailangan ko na mag-gym. I have to go back to gym and kaya ngayon bumabalik na kasi ako ng kumakain ako intensely ng sweets. Like ngayon, kumuha ako ng piyaya. Tapos kumakain ako ng chocolate. So parang, girl, kakakain ko lang tapos kumain na naman. So, grabe yung sweet. So, yun, magji-gym ako, focus ako sa ganyan. For my bucket list next year, definitely I would want to be part of a series or a movie. That's really something that I look forward to next year. I would want to finish or go through so much workshop. So I want to do acting, dancing, and we'll continue. I'm doing voice workshop kasi now. So I'll also eventually continue that next year. So lahat ng workshop na pwede gawin if time permits, gagawin natin yan. Para at least, I'm also learning and getting better sa craft na to. Para at least I give justice. Especially sa inyo who has been supporting me. So, yon. Another bucket list is, um, gusto ko i-add yung I would want to travel, but I think a bucket list that I've been dreaming is to learn another language. Na sana by 2025 magawa ko siya. If time permits, I hope so because it takes hard work, commitment, and dedication for this. And I think right now, yung focus ko kasi is pagiging an
Wow.
actress. Or, yeah, yun yung focus ko kasi. And feeling ko kasi, I have to really focus there kesa ang dami kong ginagawa, eh baka ma-distract or I won't give justice to this certain craft. So, we'll see. Kasi learning a new language, it's hard. Ang hirap. You always have to converse using that language. It takes time, energy, ganon. So, we'll see. Bucket list
Yes,
lang
super hard.
naman. If hindi 2025, iti 2026 ko na lang. But yeah, yun. Thank you.
So, eto, next question. Last three questions siguro na tayo para mag-cut na tayo. Masyado nang late.
Okay lang
Wow!
naman. Ay,
Ang daming time!
nag-enjoy.
Seiya sabi niya okay lang daw. Si Seiya kasi ito next. Any book recommendations daw? Para light lang.
Actually, sa book recommendations, ako na nga siguro yung hihingi ng book recommendations sa mga tao. So guys, please, I will create a thread. Doon nyo na lang i-recommend what I should read. Kasi yung last book ko pa na read last two books is yung galing pa sa PBB. And then after dun, wala na akong na-read na book. Kasi naging busy na rin. So, wala pa akong ma-recommend 100%. Kasi nasabi ko na rin eh, yung dalawang book na na-recommend ko before. Yung kay Jaren na book. So yun, any self-help book, psychological books, they're really good. Parang yun yung mga books na feeling ko everyone should have. Hindi naman kailangan physical, you can download naman na sa like EPUB VK ako nagda-download. I don't know if that's legal though. I think it is. But dun, yung mga ganun na books na could help you mentally, emotionally, character development, yun yung kailangan natin lahat. Because it's also something na it's professionally made, hindi lang siya ginagawa. So para at least may, okay, this is legit. This could actually work. So at least you can read upon it and then you comprehend it and then you slowly apply it in your life. Pero yun. So, ako na magtatanong in the future, ano ang mga book recommendations niyo for me? Kasi wala na ako ma-recommend. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry to disappoint you, gorgeous.
Ayan, may new assignment na po sila. Una learn about history and second, book recommendations.
Yeah, history. Oh my gosh, Philippine history muna guys before you go to Europe. Mhm. Like, I think that's something that everyone should process. Everyone should read about Philippine history. That's very important. Kasi I think nowadays, not all ha, pero parang people are not interested in that anymore. And that's very important because we are the citizens of the Philippines. And nakakahiya naman pag tanungin tayo ng other nationals na parang, oh, what happened to this? Ano bang history? What happened? Ganon, ganon. Sa revolution, yung mga, all those conversations and then wala kang masabi because you don't know. And then it's hard kasi ang daming false information na rin about it. So it's really better to read more about it than to know more about it. Yun lang. As a foreign affairs graduate. And as someone who really enjoys Philippine law, you should take time. Yes. Yun lang.
Next.
Start na lang with
Ano?
Lapu-Lapu, Magellan, yung mga ganon. Lapu-Lapu, Magellan. Sino ang 16 presidents, yung mga ganon. Anong nangyari? Ano ba si Jose Rizal? Yeah.
Ayun.
Baby steps, baby steps.
Naghingi kayong book reco Ayan. Binigyan tuloy kayo ng Lapu-Lapu.
Oh.
Binigyan kayo ng Magellan.
Lapu-Lapu, Magellan. Ilang years ba tayo ng Spaniards? 333 years. Oh. Sa American, yung mga ganon, yung sa World War One, World War Two. Oh, yun. Hindi tayo romantic novels ngayon. Punta tayo sa
Grabe. Hindi
history.
ko na-expect sa'yo nang i-recommend mo.
Kasi
Grabe.
wala kasi ako lately binabasa na bago.
Okay, the next
So, yun na
question
lang.
from Isme? Ano yung yearbook quote mo daw?
Yearbook? I don't remember.
We don't have a yearbook quote.
Oh, we don't have a yearbook
We have a
quote.
personality shot.
Yung yearbook kasi namin is photo namin. Parang
Names,
photo,
achievements.
name, and then may personality shot, and then lahat ng achievements mo. Hindi nga lahat eh. Ano lang, three lang. Top three
Top 3,
each.
top 5.
Oo, top 3, top 5 lang. Na achievements mo yun. Wala kaming ano. I think meron kami sa high school, but I don't remember. Yeah, hanapin ko nga yan. Pero parang hindi. Hindi uso sa amin yung mga ganun. Achievements kasi nilalagay eh. Sa yearbook. Pero naalala ko, yung yearbook ko nung early childhood ko. Di ba, it's usually, what do you want to be when you grow up? Ay,
Sabi niya gusto niya maging PBB.
Uy, hindi ah. What do I want to be? Hindi ko alam. Yung nanay ko sumagot, nurse. So, nurse yung nakalagay dun. Tapos, my gosh, takot ako ng mga blood. Takot ako ng... Medyo naging nurse talaga naman ako nung inalagaan ko yung ex ko.
Wow!
Medyo, actually.
Oo, pwede na.
Actually, hindi nga lang nurse eh. Naging doctor
Doctor.
talaga ako.
Pharmacy.
Naging pharmacist, naging doctor,
Pwede na.
as in
Caregiver.
caregiver. As in, grabe, kulang na lang maging medtech ako eh.
Ano
Pero may
dugo?
time na may medicine siya na kailangan inject. Yung time na yun, ako nag-inject, na sobrang kabado ako, para kung mamamatay na ako yung mag-e-inject. Kasi kailangan. Yeah. So yun, ang dami ko actually pang nagawa. Shout out to my ex.
Versatile.
Oh, yes. But anyway,
Ito, ang dami nag-a-ask.
yun.
I don't know why. Ang
Ha?
dami nag-a-ask. I don't know why. Ang tanong is, mahal mo or mahal ka? Wow.
Ano? Ang tanong ay,
Mahal mo or mahal ka? Ang dami nag-a-ask eh.
uy, simba ko.
Ang dami nag-a-ask.
What would you choose daw?
Siyempre, bakit ba ako pipili? Pwede ba both mahal ko and mahal ako?
Wow.
Why do I have to choose? I don't, kasi in this world, feeling ko, I would really prefer na mahal ako and syempre mahal ko. It has to go both ways.
What if you had to choose?
Ayoko.
What?
I don't wanna choose.
Have to choose me?
I don't want. No. That's so hard. Mahal ko o mahal ako. We're in a relationship. Ganon?
Regardless, I feel like, ako, if you ask me, my answer is mahal ako. Because I'd always want to be with people. Regardless if I want them or not.
Okay.
I always want to be with people who want me.
I feel like mahal ako because always na lang na ako yung nagmamahal intensely. So I would want someone there for me who's not afraid to shout to the world na mahal ako. Ganon. So maybe at
Kami
this
na
point,
yun.
parang, okay, mahal
Ano
ako.
daw sa- Okay. Mahal daw niya,
Kung
guys.
papapiliin ako, kung mahal ako, hindi mahal ko, mahal
Ay,
ako,
mahal siya.
yun na yung pipiliin ko.
This
Okay.
is an old view.
Oo, mahal ako. Kasi I've been mahaling other people. Ano ba? I have been, I mean, that's parang, always na lang feeling ko, mas lamang yung love ko for this person. Mas ako yung, ay, ang ganda niya. Mas ako lagi, ganun. I mean, I don't mind because that's how I love eh. It's not a problem to me. Pero right now, ano. Pero syempre, bakit pa ako pipili? Gusto ko na lang yung both. Na mahal ko, mahal niya din ako. Para at least, same kami. Mag-reciprocate na lang kami ng effort, energy, and love. Because that's what we all deserve. Kasi kawawa din naman kung mahal niya lang ako, pero ako hindi ko mahal. Parang kawawa siya. That person deserves also to be loved. So much. So yun, let's not be a red flag. Yeah. Yun lang. Ang dami ko sinasabi.
And I thank you.
Okay. And I thank you.
Ito, next is, if you were to give yourself a new moniker, what would it be and why?
Actually, I haven't thought about that. Ang singing ate. Ano ba yan? Joke lang.
Hindi ko siya matatanggap.
Talagang singing
Joke
ah.
lang po. Ay, alam ko naman, gorgeous tong mga tao dito. So, you won't bash me pag sinabi kong singing. Actually, hindi ko yan naisip. Pero si Ryan meron. Because when I told Ryan na optimistic ate yung moniker ko, sabi niya, bakit yan yung pinili ko? Sabi ko, it's not me. It's PBB. And sabi niya, what did you say, Ryan?
I said you are more resilient and optimistic. But that's personal kasi ako I've seen Jasmine through her highs and lows so much. But I also think na nakita nila yun. And then that's
Yeah, yeah,
why
they did. Pero
nakita
mas lamang yung pagiging optimist. I think
oh,
they just needed one
pero kasi
optimist like
si
ate.
well si Jasmine yun nga parati siyang nagse-smile. This
Okay.
was seen sa audition na
Yeah.
she's smiling despite having gone through so much, and that's why I think binigyan siyang optimistic. But if you really got to know her, like, well, ibang story naman pag ako kasi ibang level yung pagkakakilala ko talaga kay Jazz. She's more resilient than optimistic. Kasi when we talk about kunwari, inalagaan niya yung ex niya na nagka-cancer, for example. You have to remember na that was after two cancer situations in the family. Pangatlo na yung ex niya, the loss of her father. Like, it's so easy to say those things na it was hard, it was difficult, but to be in those situations, to live every day knowing na wala na yung dad mo, or like to live every day taking care of a cancer patient, like ang hirap nun. Ang hirap talaga nun. So, more resilient, more resilient than optimistic for me.
Si Rena sumagot kasi wala akong maisip na moniker. 'Di ba? Pasabog, ang daming nangyayari sa buhay ko. Ang daming nangyari. But yeah, so that's for Ryan.
Ato.
But I think tumatak din kasi sa PBB na, she's very optimistic talaga, regardless of what you went through. So they wanted to highlight that siguro. Yeah.
So, dahil si Rhino sumagot. So, about them ang next question. So,
Oh,
as
sige.
someone from IC, as choppy ako. Choppy ba ako? Okay.
Hindi naman.
As someone who adores your best friendship, have you ever had any disagreement or argument with your besties, Shem and Ryan? Especially when it comes to matters of the heart.
Oh my gosh, always. Honestly, guys, like like si Ryan and si Shem, they're always the first people talaga. Like hindi nyo pa, hindi pa ako, wala pang PBB, wala pang anything. Sila ng bashers ko sa life. Like, they really upfront tell me what's wrong, what I should not do, what gandon. Ikaw, just ganon, ganon. As in, they defend me so much, but at the same time, kasi it also helps me, whatever they say, kasi kilala nila ako. So, ganon. Sometimes, syempre, when it comes to love, matigas talaga ulo. Kasi it's a feeling. And sometimes when the feeling is already there, it's hard. So yeah, meron. Pero one thing naman that I'm grateful for Ryan and Sham is that, okay, regardless of naging matigas yung ulo ko, they still continue to guide me. Okay, pinasok mo na yan. This is what you should do. This is what ganon. This is advices that we should give you. Or advice that we should give you. Mga ganon. Hindi lang naman sa love eh. We had moments na di kami nagpapansinan, roommates kami, pero hindi kami nagpapansinan kasi may mga issues kami, pero we always talk about it after. We address it after. So yun, naging stronger. Kaya sabi namin, itong friendship namin, lalo na me, Shem, and Ryan,
Wala nang choice.
wala na ng choice. This is ride or die talaga. Like, we would drop anything and everything for each other. And dun ko siya actually first nakita when my dad passed away. Kasi when my dad passed away, the first person I called was Shem. Kasi alam ko naman na Shem and Ryan together. Hindi ko alam schedule ni Shem, ay ni Ryan. But I knew na si Shem, he was directing for
It's final.
his final play during that time. But then I called Shem. I didn't say anything. I cried pa. And then sabi siya, what's wrong? And then I just said, si Daddy. Daddy's gone. I was crying. I can't even remember enough ko ba yung call or si Shem na. Shem dropped his rehearsals. Imagine na siya yung director. He dropped his rehearsals, instantly called Ryan. And then si Ryan was in a meeting. I think, oo. He was in a meeting, as in like less than 5 minutes, dumating na sila sa hospital. Hindi to exaggeration. Kasi naman, yung hospital, tabi lang siya ng school. Kasi it's owned by Silliman also.
Yeah,
So,
but
umikot
also,
lang.
like, we were earlier than anyone. Like, even your boyfriend at that time, mas nauna pa kami sa kanya.
Yeah.
Like,
Kasi naligo pa siya.
yeah. But like, more than any family member,
Yeah.
like, wala. Kami
No,
talaga.
mas una pa kayo kaysa my brother.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Because the thing is, Raj kasi was waiting.
Kaya you were also crying.
Yeah, kasi I was crying kasi hindi naabutan ng brother ko, si daddy. Naabutan niya sa ICU pero wala na yung dad ko. Because dapat susunduin pa siya, natagalan yung uncle ko na sumundo sa kapatid ko. Kasi nasa bahay siya nung time na yun. So yun. So si Shem and si Ryan talaga, like, they were the first ones to be there. And then instantly, like, wala, drop everything. Every day, andun din sila. For me. And then tuloy-tuloy na until this very moment. So sila talaga yung literally rock bottom. Like, they saw me. Like, napano ako during those moments talaga. And then how I rised above it. And to the woman that I am now. Sila talaga. Alam nila lahat ng iyak ko, mga sentiments ko. So, literally, itong friendship na to, no choice na. That's why, and nung pumasok ko ng PBB also, they work hard. They're professionals. Pero, grabe also yung pag-manage ni na Ryan, ni na Sham, ni na Japet, ni na Ram, ni na JP sa SOCMED ko. And for bringing people, kayo lahat also. So, parang, yeah. I'm just blessed to have them both. And to have, all the friends I have surrounding me.
Yeah, I think important lang na you have true friends.
True!
Like, kahit, like, meron kaming dynamic sa barkada namin. And this is just an in into the barkada. Kaming tatlo, meron kaming in na si Shamlord and si Jasmine, sila yung, um, alam mo yung, like, yung outright support each other, words of affirmation kind of thing. Tapos if they need someone to tell them like the hard truth, or an advice you don't want to hear kasi, um it's 'di ba, there are things you don't want to hear even if yun
Yeah.
yung kailangan mong marinig. They come to me. So may mga ganyan kami na dynamics na, I want to hear good words today, or like I want to hear fake truth today. I'll talk to Sham, I'll talk to Jasmine. Kasi even ako, like,
Iba sila.
if I want to hear something beautiful, I go to them. And if I want a hard truth, I go to myself. Mga ganon. Or ganyan, ganyan. Like, may ganyang assignment yung relationship namin.
Ryan kasi is the boring one. Very serious, very technical. So if I want that, ako, si Shem, we go to him. Ryan, ito, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it's technical. This is what you do. These are the steps. Run. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this. Waist forward. This is how you do it. Ganon, ganon. If, sometimes when I feel like just I need light or I need, I go to Shem. Ganon. Ganon din si Shem sa akin na parang, I don't really need advice. I just need someone to listen to me. And then, to make sakay to
The delusion.
mga
Ako
ganon.
kasi, guys, hindi ako sumasakay sa delusyon nila. Like, ako yung last person na sasakay sa delusyon. Kaya, they mas nagkakaintindihan silang dalawa. So, kahit before, like, nung magka, magka housemate pa kami, loft yung bahay namin, tapos silang dalawa sa taas, tapos ako sa baba. Tapos, like, randomly, like, nakahiga lang ako, pagod, ganyan. Tapos, bigla silang dalawa, sabay-sabay bababa ng hagdan, tapos mag-iingay, magkakanta, whatever. Tapos, papasok sa room ko, tapos invade na, wala na. So ako parang,
Mhm.
gusto ko lang humiga.
But he's the boring one, guys.
Kaya nung yung nag-trend na video, yung sumasayaw, tapos tinatap nila ako, tapos ako tinitigil ko lang yung camera, yun talaga yung summary ng friendship namin.
True. Anyway.
At
Yes.
last,
Okay.
last question.
Let's go. Next question. Ha? Daming energy. Kumakain kasi ako ng piyaya ngayon.
Ayun ba yung galing kay Ate Jobs? Tama ba? Yung galing nung GT. Ang daming piyayang bigay sa'yo nun. Anyway, eto, last question na.
Mhm.
Final, song of your life as of the moment daw.
Sorry, what
Song of
is?
your life as of the moment.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Song of my life as of the moment. Hindi mo lang favorite song?
Hindi. Song of your life.
Um, pasabog. Hindi ko yan naisip. I think Dreamers. Jungkook. From FIFA World Cup. Ito kasi yung song ko also before entering PBB. Na, ang ganda ng lyrics. Na parang, look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen because we believe it. And then, here's to the ones that keep the passion, respect. Here's to the ones that can imagine. So parang, wala lang, like, it speaks so much of my life now that everything was once a dream. And I am here now. I am living the dream. May pohon before. May pohon, saying like pohon, mag-PV ako, pohon maging artista ko. This is my pohon now. Ay, sorry, pohon is a Bisaya term pala. We always say that like, pohon, pohon, like, uy, sama tayo, sige, pohon. So pohon is like, yes, we will in the
Mm-mm.
future. Pohon, that will happen. So yun. I don't know, like, every time I hear this song from FIFA, and it's Jungkook pa, oh my gosh, may bias. Parang nahahappy lang yung heart ko. Because totoo naman, we really make it happen. We work hard for it. But of course, we have to trust God. Kasi 50, di ba sabi ko, sa life ko, 50% si God, 50% ako working its way. So, yun. Just do what you want to do. Fight for what you want to do. Dream big talaga. And then manifest it. Kaya attract positive energy. Because if, I had a conversation, I just can't remember who. I think, I don't know if it's Shem or Shem's friend. Pero parang sabi niya, if you're so negative, good things won't come in your life as much. Kasi binablock off siya sa negative energy na you have. So parang kine-close mo na yung sarili mo into all the opportunities coming. That's why you have to like push away all the negativity, look like I feel lighter, be more positive para you will also attract more opportunities, you attract more positivity. Yun lang. And somehow I feel like it's kind of true. I don't know lang, I'm just speaking for myself. Pero parang yeah, actually, sometimes mindset rin siya eh, na, it's hard. Sorry, binitawan ko siya parang ang dali, no? Pero it's hard. Pero parang, slowly try to let go of the negativity. As in, like, I think you can start by just, if you have a journal, pwede phone, pero I think it's better pag paper. Write what happened, something that, what, na, nabuang na. What good happened today? It could be something small lang, or kanwari, um, something that's good that happened today ko is when I opened the door, the guard smiled at me and I said good afternoon. Yung mga ganon, like, it could be as basic as you want, or like, ay, binigyan ka ng lollipop, or yung crush mo, nag-hi sa'yo. Yung mga ganon, good things. List down mo lang mga good things na nangyari sa day mo para at least ma-focus ka dun sa positivity. Kasi sometimes, and I'm guilty of this, we always rant about what went bad sa day natin. Like, oh my gosh, alam mo, nangyari to. We rant about this. I rant about it sa mom ko. But then I realized namin, huh? Why are we focusing on the bad things? Why not focus on what good happened today? Like, oh, alam mo, sinabihan ako ng boss ko na I did well. Sinabihan ako ng ganito. Although I had lapses, although nagkamali ako, pero this is what I did. Yung mga ganon. So, parang try to shift your mindset slowly. Take it day by day. Kahit magsulat ka lang of what went well to your day. Or what good did you do? Did you help someone? Did you smile at someone? Did you clean as you go? Kung kumain ka sa restaurant. Yun ang mga ganon. Para at least, unti-unti, tumatatak na siya sa isip mo na, okay, let's focus on the positive things that happened. Yun. Because, yes, yun. O, nadadagdagan ko pa sana. Baka aabutin tayo ng 5 a.m.
Kaya nga, sabi ko nga, yopper ka eh.
Pero go.
Yun na. To sum up na lang. Sum up this space. Last na to is yung ano na lang daw. Farewell. Message na lang for the gorgeous and for everyone, supporters mo. Yun na yan.
Sorry,
To sum
ano?
up na, what is your message na lang for the gorgeous and for everyone na supporters mo?
Oh my gosh, I don't know where to start. Um, but definitely to all the gorgeous, lalo na sa admin, sa mga solids, to everyone talaga. I am extremely, and it's an understatement to say this, but grateful and thankful to you all. As in, it's an understatement. Hindi mahanap yung word siguro sa nararamdaman ko because of your support and your love. I see you. I even feel it the moment I went out sa bahay ni Kuya. Grabe, hindi ko man naabutan yung intense bashing nung nasa bahay ni Kuya ko. Kasi ang lala daw dun. But then, Ryan and Sham kept me updated din naman anong nangyari. Not 100% to. Pero anong nangyari. And then, who fought for me, yung mga ganun. So, dun pa lang parang, you don't even know me talaga. You never met me pa. Pero you already supported me. You already fought for me. Nakikipag-away pa daw kayo. Bardagulan sa comment section. So parang I am really grateful because lumaki talaga yung family ko. I don't just have sila Ryan. I don't just have my mom, my aunts, my ganon. But I already have you. So I'm really, really, really grateful. And now na lumabas ako, I'm also very happy na lumalaki din yung family. Mas lumalaki yung family natin. And I always say na parang, I got this actually from BTS. Nasabi nila, the day that you met me is the day I debuted for you. So, yun din yung nagiging ano ko because of BTS. Na the day you found out about me, the day you decided to support me, decided to love me, and even fight for me, that's the day na parang, okay, I also, wow, debuted. Ano? Singer. Pero, parang nagpanindigan tsaka Torete. Hello, my dear future husband pa. No, pero parang yun, like, I'm really grateful talaga for all your love, for all your support. If only I could meet everyone, if only I could spend time with you guys, para man at least I can give back. Kasi if sometimes I feel like, enough ba tong ginagawa ko for you? That's why like gusto ko if my work, I do my 100% best because it's also for you. Lahat para din naman maging proud kayo sa akin, maging happy kayo. Because I wouldn't be where I am today if it weren't for you also. Kasi kayo naman talaga eh. You really, trending nga ngayon si Dear Optimistic Ate. So parang grabe, yung heart ko parang, I wasn't really expecting this. Kasi nung lumabas ako, sinabi na, daming bashing, ang daming gano'n. Pero sinabi naman ako na may supporters. Pero I was just really expecting na I had a few lang talaga. But then nung paglabas, grabe, ang dami. But then I always say, it's always quality over quantity for me. Hindi naman magmamatter talaga sa akin yung numbers. But magmamatter sa akin is, I see you, I feel you, and I know na andyan kayo para sa akin. Yun. So thank you so much. Marami pa tayong dadaanan together. Marami pa tayong bonding moments together soon. Yeah, I just also pray for everyone who are in school, who are working, who's in their season of waiting also in their life. I pray na eventually you'll get what your heart desires and you get what you also deserve. Para also maging masaya tayo lahat. And I'm just really grateful. As in, hindi ko alam paano siya i-express. Ma-words of affirmation ako, pero parang pag talking about, lalo na gorgeous, as in, parang wala akong masabi because hindi ko siya ma-explain well yung mga nararamdaman ko. Even my mom, like me and my mom, we have conversations talking about it. And then my mom cries. Iyakin talaga family namin. Pero like my mom cries. Kasi parang sabi niya, grabe, despite all the bashing that we received, grabe din yung doble-doble din yung love na natatanggap natin, nak. And it's all because of God. And we're just really grateful for everyone. Yeah, I hope na if I have lapses also, I hope na um, you give me space to learn from it. This is also my first time. I don't know how to, this is yung first time ko maging artista or to be part of this industry. Dati, um, I worked behind lang. So, iba din yung experience ko. So, I'm also learning, navigating my way through so many things. But I'm just grateful. And I'm thankful because I'm surrounded with really great people. Kayo, you're very smart then. You give the right advices. I read through some, although hindi kasi ako masyado ma-social media, I apologize pala. If hindi ako ma-post, yan yung sakit ko talaga. Hindi ako ma-post na person, hindi din ako masyadong mala-update na person. So I'm slowly working on it. I hope I'll get better, especially 2025 with everyone. So yun lang, I hope that you'll continue to support. Let's just spread love and positivity. Yun lang naman talaga. um yeah, we'll just leave up to whatever negativity comes our way, we just leave it up to God. Yun na lang. Yeah. But thank you so much. Thank you, and I love you so much. As in, from the bottom of my heart, from the bottom of all my organs, through different hemispheres, universe, multiverse, and everything. I love you so much. Yan. Thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoyed tonight. Deep ba yung kon? Parang sobrang lalim.
Ang
Sobrang,
dami mong
hindi kasi ako naturally
super
funny, I
relatable
think.
naman. Okay na yun. Oo.
Okay na yun. Grabe. But thank you also for taking the time. I did enjoy here sa space. Let's do this. Actually, kasi medyo may mga free time ako before the year
Yay.
ends. So at least maybe we can have another session. Therapy session ba to? Siguro another session. Yeah, another session na we can talk and I have more questions. We can invite more. I can invite some of my friends also so that you can not just learn from me. Because if you learn from me, my gosh, what more from my other friends also? Like, I think it would be a good conversation. And if you have, mga questions, more, mga advices. Yeah. Yeah, Ryan will host daw. Oh, narinig niyo yon? Ulitin, ulitin.
No, no, no.
Kailangan ng evidence.
I think when Jazz was inside the PBB house, we wanted to host a space na andun yung friends ni Jazz. Like kami, like college, then high school, and then workmate, like one workmate ni Jazz. Just so you also get to know her in different lenses. I can host that. Pero dapat soon. But yeah.
Yeah. Yes,
Ryan
yes,
our
yes,
savior
yes.
talaga.
So I'm excited. I'm excited for that. We'll definitely do that before the year ends. Kasi at least may time ako after Christmas. For that. So far, wala pa akong confirmed. Yeah. So, thank you so much. I love you. I see you. Sometimes I just snoop around lang ako sa ex, but sometimes I just um let it be. Like, hindi na ako nag-snoop around kasi na sabi ko, oh, grabe naman to. Bakit may mga narrative na ganito? Saan ba 'to nanggaling? Nagugulat na lang din ako. Gosh, alam niyo yung mga gano'n, they should be like script writers. Baka nagha-hire yung ABS or
Na,
ano,
wag na,
iba.
hindi pa maganda yung sinusulat.
Ay, hindi pala. Uy, not for me. Pero yeah, let's use our talents in a much better platform.
Yeah.
Yun na lang. If you're good at something, let's just focus on
Sabi ni
positivity.
Alpha do it for good.
Do it for good. If your intentions is pure, if your intentions is good, go. Before I go, I think if you feel like you're in a certain situation and it's not serving you right, it's okay to leave that certain situation. And maybe you'd also realize that you would grow more and you would be better, you would be more than who you are now. So yeah, it's hard. Life is hard, but you are tough. You can make it through, and just surround yourself with the right people. Yun talaga, you don't need 100 friends. You just need the right and true friends to be there with you. And I'm just proud to say that I have that. Ooh. But yeah, I have that and I've found those people. So I hope you also found those people. But if not, I will be here. We will also be here. Not 24/7, but I've read some comments na through the interviews that I have or through the little conversations that we share. May natutunan kayo sa akin. So, thank you. Um, and I'm happy that kahit papano I help people. Um, pressuring siya actually. Kasi parang, hala, ito na, like, parang I have this platform already, so people listen to me. So parang I have to be more responsible. But then, I'm thankful for the platform that I have. It means I can reach more people, touch more people's lives, inspire them even more. And yun, let's just use this platform well. That is my goal for 2025. So yun lang. Thank you so much. I love you, everyone. Thank you so much for your time. It's 12:11. Ilang hours pa tayo? But thank you so much. We'll schedule another space with us. Ryan can host daw. Or, yeah, ganun. Mag-ano na lang sila, Martha, Saya, Yeri, kay
Yes.
Ryan. Or through me. I don't know.
I'll contact.
Sige.
Right.
But yun, yes. Or me. Yeah, sige. Thank you so much, everyone. Good night. I love you all. Sleep tight. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. I hope masaya yung Pasko nyo. Merry ang Christmas nyo and happy ang New Year nyo. Uy, mag-vision board
Ay, yung
kayo ha.
assignment pala.
As in, like, I swear, it works. Hanapin ko yung vision board ko. Because itatago ko lang yung iba kasi yung iba ayokong ipakita. Pero yung ano lang, ipakita ko lang yung nilagay ko yung PBB House na logo and ABS-CBN. And I think nilagay ko Star Magic logo din. But anyway, so gawa kayo ng vision board. If I'll leave you with anything na assignment, yung vision board talaga. Because really, that will help you manifest so many things in 2025. Naging wallpaper ko kasi siya for 3 months. Like January until March or until April. Until before ako nag-audition ng PBB. Kasi tinagal ko na kasi baka makita ng mga other people. Kasi nag-audition ako. But anyway, vision board talaga, I swear. If you're done sa vision board, let me know. Tag me. Hala! Ginawan pa,
Hindi, okay lang
inutusan ba? Joke
yun.
lang. Pero yeah.
Okay, Ate Jazz. Thank you so much for making time. Kahit
Thank you so much also for waiting. Sorry kasi alam kong matagal na tong plan pero laging napupush back. Kasi ang daming nangyayari so far. But abangan niyo ako Monday. I'll be there sa Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11 Big Forever. I'll be there entire week if I'm not
entire
mistaken.
week and
Yes.
then next is.
Until next year. And then yeah, mag-a-announce lang pero I'll be there. Yes. So,
Thank you.
yun lang. Good night. Enjoy the
Bye,
weekend. I love you
Jazz.
all.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you for the questions and for all your
Bye
time.
bye.
I love
Thank
you
you.
all.
Good night. Merry Christmas.